kasta
Kapso ngamin, kasi lang nasumsumbrok na tayo tiri na. Kaya na. Ngarud, ada kita ito mga pangablaw.
Kita mo tawagan niyo.
Okay, we have...
Someone is calling now.
Okay, so ikan titikong dawa yan.
Hello?
Hi.
Yes, hello.
Hi, Uncle.
Hi, Charm. So, how are you?
Good.
Okay, you're good. And, nanti bagata ngay dito itatanga ubingan kay Amerikana da ito kasanungay pa ng ibagata.
Desi ka
So, who's with you right now, Charm?
My mommy.
Your mommy. So, you want to tell her something? Message or what?
A message, yes. I would like to say hi to my cousins in the Philippines and Isabella and the other places. Is it okay if I can greet them?
Yes, please. Go ahead. Please feel free.
I would like to greet you guys and Happy New Year to both of you, Uncle JM and Manen.
Oh, it's
John
balik.
Mark?
Yes, yes. Uncle June and Manong John Mark.
And is there something else you guys are gonna say if I'm gonna answer?
Hey, go ahead, go ahead. Your relatives in Condon, Ilocos, or...
In Ilocos and Condon. And I would like to greet my daddy
Yes?
and probably my aunties in far away, probably where because I heard like some of my relatives are in the other side of the Philippines.
Oh, the other side of the Philippines.
I don't know. They said they're far.
Yeah, okay. So you didn't mention the name of your dad.
Oh, it's Mulishu.
Alright, Mr. Silverio. So that's it. Thank you very much for calling, Charm, and keep on listening and watching.
I love you guys.
We love you too. And Happy New Year to you and to your mom, Chat.
Thank you.
And of course, to Star and Diego and to your auntie. What's the name of your auntie again?
Auntie Lani.
Auntie Lani just came from the Philippines and kasan pa nang ibang ija yun?
Ano ibagam?
So that's all. Thank you very much once again. Yeah. Okay?
I'm grateful for you guys so I can reach you because I love you guys and that I can reach you all the time.
Yes, and we're just here, Chami, for you and for every Ilocanos around the world. So once again, thank you very much and Happy New Year from the 4-Decade Duo to your
Happy
family.
New Year.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Dito nga tapos may saka dagiti paghayam tayo nga di naamo tayo Ilocano nga maapo kaya na dagiti sonata ti 4-Decade Duo. Kaya dito yan may isang sonata John Mark kumansyon kan para kadagiti pada tayo nga nalaing chumatcha.
Napanak nagpasyar jay downtown Adda na sabat ko abalasang Kinidayak itikan nigid Imisem nakasamsam Victoria tinagan ko kinunana Inaren ko ni Victoria itinabayag Nupay kasta tibanag na inanusat Ket dimteng ti aldaw Napalaos itiragsak ko Ni Victoria inaklonan to'y ayat ko Wen naganas tunggal aldaw ngaglabas tunggal adda ni Victoria iti denak ngem malas ti amin amalas inangaunak negasa ididimteng ti maysa apasamak idi napanak nagpasyar jay balayda ni tatang na ti inak nakasarita
ay pero pasensyakan taawanin ni Victoria intaray day tay adik KARRUBA.
Matanda na nga dito subsub mo tatay, agsasao ka. Ang mga lalaki dino masuldi pa na madagsubli na teacher na langam no ka.
Maya mat nagsubli mo niyo. Nasakit tinakem ko itinapasamak ket napanak naginom iti arak tigasat ko sinang sangitak taawanen ti liwliwak ni Victoria ket awanen iti denak naglabas ti aldaw bulan kentawen nadamag ko ni Victoria simmang peten dagus ko sinarungkaran mailiwag unay kenkwanan ngem adda met ti ubing nga kaduanan ket di tate nagpatenggaan daytoy kanta ti istorya may panggep kenaya ta nagsublin ti liwliwak ni Victoria sinoblianak nubitin kadoblem madenggen daytoy kanta bitin ka doble